Let's talk about three models, that is can do, may do, and might do. If you talk in Hindi language, they seem to be same because in the three model in Hindi you call it kar sakta hai, but there is a big difference. So first of all, let's talk about can. So right now we will talk about the positive uses of all the models. So whenever we talk about can, you must remember one thing, that is ability. Whenever there is can, we talk about ability, right? You say he can speak English. Somebody asks you, can he speak English? Yes, he can speak English. He can speak English means he is able to speak English. आप बता रहे हैं कोई इंग्लिश बोल सकता है, वो इंग्लिश बोलने में सक्षम है. He can speak many languages. He can speak French, he can speak German, right? So whenever we are talking about can, means we are talking about somebody's ability, somebody's strength, somebody's capabilities, somebody's talent, that what that person can do. ठीक है सर, am I clear? You are talking about Indian team, that this time Indian team can defeat any team of the world. So we are talking about the abilities of Indian team, the potential of Indian team. Okay, now let's talk about may do and might do. May do and might do are correlated, but they have nothing to do with can. So when we talk about may do and might do, we talk about possibilities. We talk about possibilities. किस काम के कितने प्रतिशत होने की संभावना है, कोई काम होगा कि नहीं होगा, हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है. आप पॉसिबिलिटीज की बात कर रहे हैं तो वी यूज मे एंड माइट. व्हेन देयर इज 50-50, when there is 50% possibility, we use may. When there is least possibility, in Hindi we call it क्षीण संभावना, ना के बराबर संभावना, we use might. कोई भी चीज हो सकती है. मान लीजिए इसमें देखो तीन चीजें होती हैं पॉसिबिलिटीज में, ध्यान देंगे मेरी बात पर. Whenever we are using must, it is 100%. Whenever we are using may, it is 50%. Whenever we are using might, it is least possibility. For example, a match is going on between India and England, right? And the match is going on, and you and I, we are watching the match. When we are watching the match and India is in very strong position, so you say इंडिया मस्ट विन द मैच, इंडिया जीतेगी ही मैच. यहां आप इंडिया की काबिलियत की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. हियर यू आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ इंडिया और एबिलिटी ऑफ इंडिया. यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पॉसिबिलिटीज बिकॉज द मैच इज गोइंग ऑन. तो आपने कहा इंडिया मस्ट विन द मैच. नाउ द मैच गोस ऑन, and now a situation has come when there is 50-50. India may win, India may not win. जीत भी सकती, नहीं भी जीत सकती. तो आप कहोगे India may win the match. But when the condition becomes worse and you feel like now the hope is getting slipped, hope is getting loose, hope is getting down, last two overs are there and a lot of runs have to be scored, but still there is a hope. तो आप कहेंगे India might win the match. Whenever you are using might, you have a feeling of perhaps. In Hindi you call it शायद. जब आप कहते हैं India might win the match, तो आपका मतलब होता है इंडिया शायद ही मैच जीते. When you say India may win the match, still there is a confidence. India may win the match. When you use must, there is absolute confidence. India must win the match. India may win the match. India might win the match. With the might, there is a feeling of perhaps. ये शायद ही ऐसा हो. तो must, may and might, these three models are concerned with the possibilities that किसी चीज के होने की कितने प्रतिशत संभावना है. That may 100%, sorry, must 100%, may 50%, and might there is a least possibility, a feeling of perhaps. But when we are using can, it has nothing to do with the possibility. We talk about ability, capacity. ठीक है, तो ये अंतर याद रखिएगा. अगर मैं कहता हूं सुमित कैन स्पीक गुड इंग्लिश, तो आई मीन टू से सुमित इज एबल टू स्पीक गुड इंग्लिश. I hope you must have understood what I said.